Split a string by a delimiter in Python. How to split this string where underscore is the delimiter. To get an output of matches string,
you can use the str.split method, string.split underscore.
You may be interested in the CSV module, which is designed for comma-separated files but can be easily modified to use a custom delimiter.
Besides split undersplit, there is partition/repartition. It separates string once, but the way question was asked, it may apply as well. Example. And a bit faster than split underscore 1. Timite lines are based on this answer.
When you have 2 or more elements in the string, in the example below there are 3, then you can use a comma to separate these items. After this line of code, the 3 variables will have values from 3 parts of the variable ev. So, if the variable ev contains this string and we apply separator at, then, after the split operation the variable date will have value sar.23.mars, time will have value 19:00, event underscore name will have value Klavier plus Orchester column Spezial.
This is the one that is